Hello there. My name is Amanda, and this is my slideshow presentation on the differences between hydrophilic and hydrophobic. So my first one that I'm going to talk about is hydrophilic, um, and hydrophilic means that it is water-loving. Some examples of these are proteins, cotton, sugars, salts, and alcohols. Some substances are hydrophilic because when the hydrogen bond is made, they can be dissolved in water. Some characteristics of being hydrophilic, uh, meaning that they are usually polarized and that they can form a hydrogen bond. For hydrophobic means that it is water-fearing, and since these fear water, they do not mix with most substances, and those substances include oils, fats, greases, and alkanes, which is methane and ethane. Hydrogen bonds do not form with these substances, and instead they repel the water and are attracted to them, and so that means that they are nonpolar molecules. And then here I have a couple examples of hydrophilic and hydrophobic. The one on the left is hydrophilic, and as you can see in the picture, it shows water and sugar, and then what it looks like when it's mixed together. And on the right, I have hydrophobic, and this is what it looks like when water and oil is mixed together. As you can see, they do not mix. And yeah, and that's my presentation.